Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable in-game telemetry in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. First, in the main menu of the game, open settings by either clicking the gear icon in the top right corner or by pressing F3 button. After that, go to interface settings and make sure that you have global tab selected at the top of your screen. Then scroll down to telemetry. If you drop this list down, you will be able to choose between essentials, telemetry, which will show you the FPS, the GPU temperature and the time in game. You can set all to off, which is the default option. You can enable all telemetry by using the third option here, or you can set a custom preset for yourself. To do that, click show more on the telemetry option, and then here you can switch the toggle next to the telemetry elements that you want to enable or disable. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.